Let's reverse sear a tomahawk steak. It's time to preheat the grill. Set it to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. My rule of thumb is cut off anything that you don't feel is going to be tasty on your steak. All that hard fat for me is coming right off. Well, it's time to season this bad boy, and today I'm using a little bit of Motley Q's beef fix, just a light coating on both sides. You really want this meat to shine. The beef fix just adds a little bit of that extra flavor to it. Once you're done seasoning, let it sit for about an hour, get it to sweat, then put it onto the smoker. Just when you put this onto the smoker, get the Weber kettle nice and hot. We're shooting for an internal temperature between 123 and 125. Now it's time to sear this bad boy. Put it onto the Weber kettle there and just crank the heat as high as possible. Just watch it for the internal temperature. You don't want it to go high, you want it medium rare. Now that you got your internal temperature to about 130, 131, just pull it and let it rest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.